Aladdin. In a small town in India lived a young man named Aladdin. One day, a wizard came to Aladdin. He said, "Go inside this hole and bring me the lamp, and I will give you some money." Then he pushed Aladdin inside the hole. Aladdin went in the hole and found the lamp. Then he shouted, "Let me out! I got the lamp." However, the wizard did not want to give him any money. So he said, "Give me the lamp first, or I will leave you in there." Aladdin was scared. He tried to get out this way and that way, but he could not get out. By mistake, Aladdin rubbed the lamp. Suddenly, a giant came out of the lamp. And the giant said, "I am genie of the lamp. What can I do for you, my master?" Aladdin was so surprised. But he said, "Please let me out and take me home." "Whatever you want, my master." Genie took Aladdin home. And the giant gave Aladdin everything he wanted. Soon, Aladdin became rich. One day, he was walking home from the market. He saw a beautiful lady sitting at the window of a castle. She was a princess. "Oh, she is so beautiful." Aladdin fell in love with her at first sight. After that day, Aladdin thought and thought about her all day long. He could not stop thinking about her. The next day, Aladdin went to her father, and he said, "Dear King, I love your daughter. What can I do to marry her?" However, the king did not like Aladdin. The king said, "If you build me a big castle, I will give you my daughter." The next day, Aladdin showed a big castle to the king. "Oh my, it's incredible." The king was so satisfied with the new castle, he allowed Aladdin to marry his daughter. Now Aladdin had everything. He was the happiest man in the world. One day, the wizard heard about Aladdin. He came to the castle and he shouted, "Give me your old lamp for a new lamp. I have amazing lamps from all over the world." The princess heard the wizard. She did not know the secret of the lamp. So she said, "That one looks beautiful. Aladdin will like it." The princess gave Aladdin's lamp to the wizard for a new lamp. The wizard rubbed the old lamp. Genie came out of the lamp, and the wizard took everything from Aladdin: the lamp, the castle, and even the princess. When Aladdin came back, he was so shocked. "Oh no! What can I do? I must go and find him." Aladdin went to the wizard. The wizard was having a party. After the great meal, the wizard fell deep asleep. Aladdin carefully picked up the lamp. He rubbed the lamp and said to Genie, "Take him far away from here, so he can never come back." the giant took the wizard far, far away, and Aladdin returned everything back to where it belonged. Aladdin said to the princess, "I'm so glad to bring you back. I love you, my love." The princess said, "I'm so glad to see you again. I love you, my prince." Aladdin and the princess lived happily ever after.